Today we're going to be making a wedge salad. To get the perfect wedge, we're going to go and use a sand wedge for this. It works every time. Normally this recipe calls for bacon bits, but I only have beef bits, so I'm going to use some beef. Big Karen. Good girl. While we're waiting on Karen, we're going to go and pick some grape tomatoes for our recipe. Make sure you don't get the grapes, only get the tomato. Go ahead and give them some random slices. Done. Next, we're going to season the pan with some beef. Go ahead and spread the beef around. I already made sure my salt was in season, so I'm going to go ahead and add some. These guys are looking pretty crispy, so we're going to scoot them over. Next, you're going to go ahead and shut off the heat and sprinkle with some cheese to crispalize it even more. While that's crispalizing, we're going to go ahead and work on the dressing. You're going to need 1 part blue cheese dressing and then 1 part air. To make sure the ingredients are fully incorporated, stir for at least 1 hour. Next, we're going to build our salad. Go ahead and add some tomatoes, try to keep them on top. Some of the beef crumbles. And some of our homemade dressing. Give it some balsamic glaze. Done.